If you have leftover chicken and some oranges, you've got lunch in 15. We're taking these leftovers and these seasonal oranges to make a high protein, high fiber, delicious and gorgeous lunch ready in 15 minutes. Start with a bed of your favorite greens and then add the chicken. You don't even need to warm it up. Nice dose of chicken. This time we're not being fancy with how we're cutting our oranges. We just want some nice pieces. Bonus points if you have different varieties. Looking good already. To turn this into a grain bowl, we've got some barley that I had frozen. Here's a pro tip for you. Always double up when you're cooking whole grains. That way you can pop them in the freezer. Yes, they freeze beautifully. And then you can thaw them and add them to a grain bowl like this. Let's dress it up with a little bit of feta, some pumpkin seeds, fresh herbs. I happen to have some dill and maybe some sweetness that comes from dried cranberries. Now we need a delicious dressing for this. I love a good orange honey vinaigrette, and here's how I make it. Start with a 1/3 cup of your favorite oil, add 2 tablespoons of white wine vinegar, a teaspoon of Dijon. Here's another tip. Always keep a can of orange concentrate in the freezer just for use in recipes like this, because I'm adding 1 good tablespoon of orange juice concentrate. Rub well and then add just a little bit of zest. Anytime that you can use citrus zest in anything, oh, the flavor's just going to pop. My spoon with a little bit of oil, and then I want about a tablespoon of honey. The oil helps it slip right off. Beautiful. A little bit of salt and pepper. Give that a good stir. And just like that, our lunch is done. Sweet, savory, crunchy, and done in under 15 minutes. If you want more ways to use seasonal produce and lunch in 15 recipe ideas, check the playlist and come back for the next video.